And with Greg, he's going to do 2 more boxes of 2011 Bowman draft picks and prospects baseball. Alright, let's see what we got. Looking for a color refractor with ink on it. I think you'd take a redemption for a Bryce Harper too, wouldn't you? Blake Snell, refractor. A Tyler Alamo, paper blue, $4.99. And wow, Danny Vogelbach. Base. That's the refractor autograph actually. Number 2/500. Kind of tough to see in the light. So he has base auto. Now he got his refractor auto. Sean Buckley. John Hicks. Adam Ehrlich. Trevor Bauer. What time is it?
Bauer hour!
Kellen Moon. And, ooh, nice. Bonus ball autograph. Under 16 USA. Nick Ciuffo.
First round pick this year.
There you go.
Probably the second best.
There's that color ink you were looking for.
Second
58 of 99. Very nice.
Behind Meadows in the USA Senate.
Lindor Chrome. How old is Buffy?
I'm 14.
He is he's in his 20s. James Harris. Mike Trout paper. Mike Trout. And this chrome rookie. Riley and Rowe, refractor. And we got a blue refractor of Travis Harrison. Number 2/199. Alright, it's definitely the best box so far. Bubba Starling, chrome. Mickey Matuk, and last pack is a Joe Demers under 16 USA Chrome. All right. Box number 4 for the day. Madison Bower, refractor. Masterwork is complete. Oh, we got a redemption. And it is nice. Bowman Chrome prospect autograph, Bubba Starling. Lance Jeffries, chrome. Tontino De Los Santos. Paper blued, $4.99. Let me see the masterpiece. I gotta see this. Brandon Kinsler, refractor rookie. Another Danny Vogelbach. CJ Cron. It's a good question. What happened to Bubba? Brandon Geyer. Jeffrey Soptic. Bubba Starling Chrome. Another Mickey Matuk. Dwight Smith refractor. Bryson Brigman chrome. A Kyle Goodell refractor. Kyle Kubica. Paper blue of Nick Ahmed. Number 2, $4.99. Andy Dirks, rookie. And last pack, finish up with base. All right, nice second half of the break there. Appreciate it, Greg. And get it right out to you, buddy.